Good day kwese kwamuri. Welcome to the MathHub Mathematics and Start na Sandy. In today's lesson, toda kuita a tutorial where we are going to practice how to solve algebraic fractions. We are going to be using those 4 questions. And as you can see, those are SIMSEC questions written both paper 1, paper 2 in years 2017 up to 2018. So the first question we are going to be doing the ino-ish. Iri kuti kudini question yedu. Simplify m squared minus m minus 12 over m to the 3 minus 9m. Sa tinonyora pasi zvatinazvo. M squared minus m minus 12 over m to the power 3 minus 9m, like that. Then tanyora pasi zvatanyora izvo, which is the expression or the fraction we are given. Chatiri kuda kuita apo, tiri kuda kusimplify numerator tozo simplify denominator kuti tikwanise kuweka zvinhu zvacho zvirimo easier. Saka kuti ti simplify the numerator, simplify say it is through quadratic factorization. So munogona kunyora zvinhu zvakawanda zvinoudza examiner kuti muri kuda kusimplify numerator mozo simplify denominator. Saka inini zvandiri kuda kuita panapa, ndinouya pano ndogona kuti simplifying like this, kana kuti kana ndichitoziva kuti kusimplify kwacho kufactorize ndogona kutongonyora kuti factorizing the numerator, but I would encourage kuti muti simplifying because kuti musaita mistakes ari technical. Because mukanyora method isiyo hapo muzoita the opposite. Under strict conditions memchitonzi hamuna kucommunicate your answer properly. Saka let us just agree kuti tichati simplifying as a universal statement. Saka panapa tichati simplifying the numerator domanyorero atichaita. So simplifying the numerator. How exactly do we simplify the numerator? Icho chinombonzi numerator chi. Numerator yedu pa fraction iyi ndi m squared minus m minus 12. We take note firstly kuti numerator yedu iyo is a quadratic expression. Quadratic, why? Because the highest power of our unknown cannot variable ndi 2. Makatarisa ma m edu, which is our variable or unknown, muchaona kuti power hombe ndi 2, making that a quadratic expression. Knowing that that's a quadratic expression, how do we factorize quadratic expressions? Step number 1, we make sure the quadratic expression is written in the general form ax squared plus bx plus c. Saka zvandataura zvinogona kuva too technical to some of us. Zvandiri kungoreva mururimi rwamai ndiri kuti munotarisa quadratic expression yenyu inofanirwa kunge yakanyorwa tichitanga na squared. Saka seapo tatanga na m to the power 2 totanga na squared. Tabva pana squared toenda pane m yakangomira yega. Dzimwe nguva inouya ine coefficient, dzimwe nguva inouya isina. Hapana hapo painouya isina nekuti kana ichita senge haina coefficient anenge ari 1, but let us leave it there. Saka tinotanga neina squared totevera neingori neleta variable topedzisira neconstant kana kuti just a number. So checking that panapa pana m squared, apa pangori na m, panapa pangori ne number, so everything is written correctly. We are then going to multiply the first term and the last terms. So m squared times minus 12, that's minus 12m squared. Ta multiply m squared na minus 12, tikawana minus 12m squared. We now want the factors of minus 12m squared. But what do we mean kana tichiti factor? A factor is a number or a term which divides perfectly into another number or a term. Perfect division, tiri kuti without leaving a remainder. Saka factor inumber iterm inodivide ichipinda mune number kana kuti term isingasiye remainder. If you want the lesson on factors, we have them. You tell us in our comment section, then we share a link which takes you to the lesson. This is a tutorial to mean tasenge tiri kumhanya because we want to answer the questions. We want to apply a knowledge we are to some extent assuming you already have. So if you want the lessons, you tell us. But what are then the factors of minus 12m squared? These factors should be special. How special should they be? Anofanirwa kuva ma-factors 2 ekuti tikama multiplier anotipa minus 12m squared, tikama adda or subtractor anotipa minus m. So what do we multiply to give us minus 12m squared, but add or subtract, it gives us minus m? A way of thinking about this, we need two numbers, two terms, which are separated by a unit, separated by 1. Saka andizi vamwe nzira yekuita izvi kana kuti nzira yekuzvijaira isiri practice. You really have to practice a lot of quadratic factorization kuti muinzwisise. So it's actually 4m na 3m. Kuti izobuda iri minus m inofanirwa kuti minus panapa plus apo. Saka tikati minus 4m plus 3m inotipa minus m, first condition met. Tikati minus 4m times 3m inotipa minus 12m squared, second condition met. Then after meeting those two conditions, we are going to rewrite m squared minus m minus 12, but this time tichi replace at the middle term minus m nema factors atawana minus 4m plus 3m. Satakinyora yakati m squared minus 4m plus 3m minus 12. Tanyora yakadai so takushandisa ma brackets kuseparata zvinhu. Then we look at the first bracket. Toti, what should we factor out? What is the common factor here? The m. Then bracket. Mukati me bracket muchavana m kutanga nekuti m times m ndio m squared. Mozovana minus 4 nekuti m times minus 4 ndio chi minus 4m. Saka takadzidzisa factorization, takadzidzisa kuti inoitwa say from two fronts, from the front of multiplication, also from the front of division. So again, if you want to learn those technical skills, you have to tell us in the comments. We refer you to a lesson we did. Panapa, I'm assuming that we are all able to factorize basic algebraic expressions, like in that case. But to test if our factorization is correct, it's easy. We just remove brackets. M times m the m squared, m times minus 4 the minus 4m. Then from the second bracket, what do we factor out? We factor out 3. And our first term becomes m. 3 times m due 3m. Then our next term becomes minus 4 again. 3 times minus 4, that's minus 12. Then a sure way of testing kana quadratic factorization maiita zvakanaka zviri mukati mema brackets aya zvinofanirwa kufanana. Zviri mukati mema brackets ngazvifanane. Ndiyo nzira yamunoona kuti mafactorizer zvakanaka. Then lastly, tichatora matems ari kunze m plus 3 totora ne bracket m minus 4. Saka kana tadai so tatopedza factorization of that quadratic expression. But hatisogumira ipapo. Ngatitei the same for the denominator. So simplifying the denominator. Let us now simplify the denominator. Saka denominator yedu iri kuti m to the power 3 minus 9m. Kureva kuti tikada kufactor out chinhu chiri common ndi m, and mukati munomu munosara muina m squared minus 9 like that. So m squared minus 9. But haina kupera iyi. Chaita kuti isaperera apa iprinciple iri kumaths inonzi difference of two squares. Difference of two squares inoti kudini? Inoti kana tiine 2 masquare, perfect squares, ari kusubtractana seizvi. This expression a squared minus b squared iri equal to a minus b, a plus b. So if we have two perfect squares, kana chiti a perfect square, tichi define what a perfect square is loosely, tiri kuti it is a term or a number which has an exact square root. Saka, you might not understand it at this level, but maybe if I try to apply it, it will become apparent. Saka ndipana patina m squared minus 9. Can you see that we can replace 9 na 3 squared? So it becomes m squared minus 3 squared, like that. Of course, we all know that 3 squared is 9. Saka 9 is a perfect square. Nekuti the square root of 9 is 3. 9 is also a perfect square because we can express it as a square. 9 becomes 3 squared. Then kana tatoinyora yakadai so kuti final answer yedu inenge ichiti m minus 3 m plus 3. Kana tadai so tapedza kufactorize m cubed minus 9m. Okay. Zvandakuda kuita panapa, ndakuda clear that space kuti tikwanise kuwana working space. Saka ndichabvisa izvi. Then I'm going to just summarize zvese zvataita in 2 statements. Of course, mimi should be showing all working. Saka hamuna mukana wekuzobvisa zvinhu kana kuri kuti makuweka. Saka panapa summary yangu inenge chingoti numerator is equal to numerator yedu yanga iri m plus 3 m minus 4. Let us also remove kunoku tonyora futi a statement summarizing. Statement redu rechiti chi denominator is equal to m minus 3 m plus 3 is. Okay. Saka kana ta simplify our numerator ikatipa that result, to simplify our denominator yotipa that result, it simply means titangoti that is, tinogona kuti therefore cannot that is, then m squared minus m minus 12 over m cubed minus 9m. Tengeta kuinyora as chi. Our numerator becomes bracket m plus 3 m minus 4 dividing, then our denominator becomes m minus 3 m plus 3, like this. Then kanatada it becomes easy and apparent because we can see with this bracket of m plus 3 just cancels out this bracket of m plus 3. To mean our answer here becomes bracket of m minus 4 over m multiplying m minus 3. But amurambidzo yenyu kuzinyora makangoti m minus 4 over m minus 3, like that. That will be the end of it. So that is how it is done. Basa riri pakusimplify the numerator and denominator independent of each other. Factorization, difference of two squares, ndopane basa racho. So please make sure you grasp those concepts. Let us now go to our second question. So this is going to be our second question. Iri kuti express x minus 3 over x minus 2. Panapa yati minus x plus 2 over x plus 3. We want to express that as a single fraction in its lowest terms. How do we do that? So we are subtracting fractions, and when subtracting fractions we need a common denominator. But for a common denominator where we have expressions, algebraic expressions as our denominator, the common denominator is basically going to be the product of the two denominators. But before we even go there, chamunofanirwa kutanga kuita initially mapiwa kwesene yakadai kuisa every expression inside a bracket like this. This should be your initial step. This is very important. Then maisa everything inside a bracket. Then for our common denominator tinongotora madenominator toma multiply kora tinovachi bracket ra x minus 2 multiplying bracket ra x plus 3 say is. This is our common denominator. Then we do what we know already. Tikati bracket ra x minus 2 richipinda common denominator rinochekana ni part ya x minus 2 iyi kora tichasara tina x plus 3. Then x plus 3 yakumultiply bracket ra x minus 3. So it's x minus 3 multiplying bracket run x plus 3 like that. Tot minus edu panapa. This bracket of x plus 3 into the common denominator. So check anaposara bracket ra x minus 2 rakumultiply panapa kuroti tinatengeta x plus 2 x minus 2. But can I understand the concept of difference of two squares from our first question? You should see kuti pano apa, instead of expanding brackets in the traditional conventional way, you can actually know for a surety that pachava x squared minus 9. Saka we learned about the difference of two squares. Inoti a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b, a plus b. Munogonotanga matopiwa this expression, you should be able to do a reversal. Those I take up panapa. In our calculating, taona kuti tine bracket ra x minus 3, x plus 3. You see? Dora tanyora is x squared minus 9. Panapa tachigona kutanga titanyora yakadai so, by the way. Right, let me just rub. Tachigona kutanga tanyora yakati x squared minus 3 squared. Toti minus. Panapa pani same effect. Inga x squared minus 2 squared. Andika? Because pani difference of two squares futabo over x minus 2 x plus 3. So this then becomes x squared minus 9 minus x squared minus 4. Asikana masu jaira yenyu munogona kutongobva panapa makananga up kana masu jaira panapa tikuti over x minus 2 x plus 3 se izo. Okay, zvadai so manje tenge takuti this is equal to, what are we going to say? Let us remove brackets. X squared minus 9, since it will multiply 1 and 1 are invisible panapa. Then minus times x squared and minus x squared, minus times minus 4 and plus 4. This is over panapa pachinja apa denominator yedu inoramba as is. Okay, so allow me kupedzisira kuside kunoku. Saka apa inenge ya x squared minus x squared ndi 0 zvatochekana, minus 9 plus 4 ndiani ndi minus 5. Saka answer yedu inenge iri equal to minus 5 over bracket ra x minus 2 bracket ra x plus 3 like this. That will be the end of it. saka hazvinetsi zvinhu izvi, chinongodikwa kuziva maprinciples. Of course kuri kuti manga mada kutoita expansion panapa maanswers enyu aibuda, but uyu munhu anoziva kuti it's a difference of two squares ane an advantage because anosave time. So you can expand and your answers will be accurate, even though in your expanding you run the risk of many errors, and the student who submitted this work actually had an error there. The answer was not correct. So you have to be careful there. Let us go to our example 3. Our example 3 is going to be this. That's our practice question 3. Iri kuti simplify that expression yacho ndi 2a plus 6 over a minus 3 divided by a plus 3 over a squared minus 2a minus 3. Ndozvairi kutaura. Tinotanga nekuita sei? Nekuisa ma-expressions ese ma-brackets like this. Ndozvatinotanga nazvo. Okay. Then tadai so much. Tiri kuona kuti we are required to solve this part. Muri kuzviona? So tinogona kutanga tati simplifying. What are we simplifying? A squared minus 2a minus 3. Because we are going to need to factorize it. So to factorize this, how do we necessarily do it? Tinoinyora pasi a squared minus 2a minus 3. By the way, kune vanhu vanogona ku factorize ama quadratic expressions directly. You are free to do so. But panapa I'm just explaining like first principles. So a squared minus 2a minus 3 written in the correct form, because tatangana squared tikaenda kuna a tikapesera constant. Then we multiply the first and the last to get minus 3a squared. A squared times minus 3. Factors of minus 3a squared. They are happy, such that we multiply them and not per minus 3a squared. Add them, they give us minus 2a. So the factors we are in need of panapa, it's actually 3a na a. Then it will be minus plus. Minus 3a plus a into minus 2a. Minus 3a times a into minus 3a squared. Then of course a squared minus 3a plus a minus 3. That's how it's done. Brackets. After brackets, what do we factor out here? A. Mukati me bracket munosara muina a minus 3. Like that. What about here? We are going to factor out 1. Kuti bracket ringosara rina a minus 3. So I want you to take note that sometimes panenge pasina an obvious factor. Like atina a common factor between a and minus 3. In such a case, we factored out 1. So our final answer here is going to be a plus 1, a minus 3. So I want to write it here. We are going to need it. A plus 1, a minus 3. Let me remove this part so that we can have working space. Okay. Saka inoita taita this calculation inofanga kutoonekwa because zvakanzi show all your working. So taita this calculation to simplify this denominator of this divisor fraction. Let us now do this. Saka ngatitange ta apply a basic principle yekuti we have to invert the divisor. Saka panapa tikuti 2a plus 6 over a minus 3 multiplying now po p digurwa panapa. Maimuruvi tichavange grade 5 aitoti p diguration. A squared minus 2a minus 3 over a plus 3. Like this. Okay. Saka tadai, let us now do basic factorization. Like bracket rino iri tino factor out 2 yosara iri a plus 3 andika 2 times a into 2a, 2 times 3 into 6. This is over panapa the a minus 3 bracket multiplying tatodhilane iri kudhara rikatipa a plus 1 a minus 3, and this is over bracket ra a plus 3. Since apa pari kumultiplier tinoziva kuti tinogona kucheka this bracket with that bracket, togona kucheka this bracket with that bracket. Saka tichasara tiina 2 panapa times bracket ra a plus 1, that's 2 bracket ra a plus 1 kunoku is just 1 times 1, so this becomes our final answer. It's easy, and it just basic factorization, know a few early two principles, then you are done. Let us go to our last question. As in our last question, this is our last question. Iri kuti simplify 3x squared over x squared minus 5x dividing x over x squared minus 25. So ngatitange tapidigura multiplying by the reciprocal of a divisor fraction, kana muchida kuva technical. So this is going to be equal to 3x squared over x squared minus 5x multiplying then x squared minus 25 over x. Ndabatwa nemhosva yekuti handina kutanga ndaisa mabrackets, tinotanga taisa expressions mabrackets, don't forget like I did. So tapidigura yava x squared minus 25 over x handidi, then todini ngatichiita factorization yacho. So panapa is 3x squared over, pano it's quadratic of course, but kana iri two termed iri binomial we can easily factor out x apo tosara tiinani x minus 5. Okay, this is multiplying panapa pana x squared minus 25 tinogona kupanyora tichiti x squared minus 5 squared. Murikuzvona? Saka takanyora chiti x squared minus 5 squared, zvoreva kuti the difference of two squares ichava chi x minus 5 x plus 5, because 25 is a perfect square. To that over x like this. So ndakandiona mchizama kucheka x iyi ne x iyi hakuna zvakadaro, that's an error of principle, that's false mathematics, hakuna maths dzakadaro. Hatikwanisi kucheka denominator with denominator, tinogona kucheka denominator with numerator kana kuti togona kuzviita cross, hatigoni kuzviita laterally kana kuti horizontally. So panapa x into x1 x into x squared panosara x, kurota apo tasarwa tiina 3x over, ngatitongobvisa x minus 5 uyu ochekana neuyu handidi, saka tasara tina 3x over 1 times bracket ra x plus 5 over x. X iyo unocheka x uyu, kurota answer inenge iri 3x plus 5. Takadai so tinenge tatopedza. It's not difficult, is it? It's not. Okay. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask us. If you want to join us for extra lessons, please WhatsApp us on the number provided there, which is +26371521330. Zimbabwe, it's simply 07152133010. Our lessons are designed for repeating students. By repeating we mean kana makambonyora maths mukasabuda zvakanaka, regardless kuti makanyora kangani uye kuti makanyora rini, you can follow our lessons. If you need extra help, join us and you'll be able to pass. That is why our videos are more than the typical length, because we try to explain things from first principles. Thank you.